Did you know there's a difference between keto and low-carb diets? Today in this nutrition video we shall learn the difference between a keto and a low-carb diet. We will also look at different foods that are suitable for each dietary systems. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, comment, subscribe and hit the notification button. To understand the differences, we need to know the reasons why people do take on these diets. People opting for either of these diets may have similar aims such as weight loss, managing a health issue, or just better overall health. What is the keto diet? Keto diet, or the ketogenic diet, is a very low-carb, moderate protein, high-fat diet. It usually involves cutting down your carbs to about 25 grams and eating more healthy fats. People decide to do keto for a few reasons, and some of them are the following. 1. For cutting sugar and refined carbs out of the diet. 2. To lose weight. 3. To achieve a state of ketosis. Put simply, this is a biological state where the body burns fat for fuel rather than glucose. 4. As a dietary intervention for health conditions such as type 2 diabetes and epilepsy. The key here is healthy fats, because all fats are not created equal. You need good fats like avocados, palm oil, coconut oil, butter, fatty fish, and cheese. You also want to avoid processed, unhealthy fats like margarine and vegetable oils such as sunflower oil, corn oil or soybean oil. What is a low-carb diet? Low-carb means eating low-carb, moderate protein, high-fat diet. Unlike keto diet where you consume a maximum of 25 grams of carbs, with low-carb diet, you eat about 25 to 75 grams of carbs depending on your activity level and goals. Here is why people may do low-carb diet. 1. To reduce excessive carbohydrate intake to a healthier level. 2. For cutting sugar and refined carbs out of the diet. 3. To lose weight. 4. As a dietary intervention to try and manage a health issue such as type 2 diabetes. There are similar reasons for starting low-carb and ketogenic diets. However, ketogenic diets are more widely used as a medical intervention than low-carb diets. Foods such as fruit, legumes, candy, and grains are too high in carbohydrate to be suitable for a ketogenic diet. However, low-sugar fruits and root vegetables can fit into a ketogenic plan. Regarding low-carbohydrate diets, a liberal plan of around 20% carbohydrate could technically include most of these foods. That said, high-sugar fruits and legumes would quickly fill up the carbohydrate allowance and potentially displace other foods. For people who enjoy eating higher amounts of fruit and vegetables, the ketogenic diet might be too restrictive. In this case, a general low-carb diet would be a better fit. On conclusion, both low-carbohydrate and ketogenic diets are evidence-based weight loss interventions. While it is possible to read claims about why one is better than the other, the actual research shows both are beneficial. Ultimately, whichever of the two diets an individual enjoys and feels comfortable with will encourage adherence and, therefore, dietary success. Access the keto diet resources in the video description to guide you more on ketogenic diet and nutrition. Thank you for watching.